MBSE Practical Application Service. At Hitachi Industry and Control Solutions, we are developing new value-added industry-focused solutions through digital solutions that integrate new technologies, such as AI and IoT. Within this field, we use cutting-edge embedded software and hardware technologies to support customer system and product development. We focus on our strengths developing vehicle control, functional safety, and video processing solutions, as well as SEMBSE Practical Application Service in order to make automatic driving a reality. Our vehicle control solutions include designing and developing software and LSI circuits embedded in electronic equipment products for realizing advanced technology, such as for autonomous driving. Our functional safety solutions are focused on the automotive field, and, by providing functional safety for various products along with our clients, we can contribute to the realization of a safe and secure society. Our video processing solutions help solve clients' video image issues quickly and for little cost thanks to our unique image processing library. In the future, it will be necessary to create solutions to respond to the development of increasingly large and complex systems, and thus it's essential to clarify what those solutions will be by utilizing multiple perspectives, while keeping an eye on the big picture. Therefore, today we are introducing our system engineering concept-based SEMBSE Practical Application Service. As typified by automated driving development in automobiles, the world of embedded product development is becoming more complex. In addition, due to the spread of IoT cases such as the linking of cars, traffic signals, and smart devices, new services for calculating insurance premiums have appeared based on the alleviation of traffic congestion, prevention of accidents, and calculated travel distance. Development is becoming more difficult as systems must bridge various industries and as scale and complexity increase. Meanwhile, with conventional development methods, high-level processes tend to be inadequate. With regard to the return from the low-level process to the high-level process, even if a problem occurs in the low-level process until now, it did not go back to the high-level process with just a little return. However, now it's more impactful than that. The development site has been resulting in a chaotic. While providing our various embedded engineering services, we at Hitachi Industry and Control Solutions have seen this happen to clients time and again. This is why, with our clients in mind, Hitachi Industry and Control Solutions began to focus on systems engineering, model-based systems engineering since 2013. This is an overview of the Hitachi Industry and Control Solutions SEMBSE Practical Application Service. This service consists of 4 options. The first, Design Information Visualization Support, is a service that creates the required high-level design documents by using reverse engineering. These documents will be created based on low-level design documents and discussions with designers. The second, MBSE Application Support, builds a consistent system model, including requirements analysis, architecture design, and similar by utilizing programming languages such as SysML. The third, Safety Analysis Support, is to apply safety analysis methods, such as STAMP-STPA, to the modeled systems in order to derive safety analysis safety requirements. The fourth, Environmental Construction Support for developmental support tools, supports the incorporation and connecting of constructed system models, as well as the operation of such at the development site, through the implementation of tools that realize ALM and PLM. SEMBSE related services are provided by many companies, but here are 3 strengths that make us different. Our first strength is that we have a wealth of development experience, and we can provide not only consulting, but also working with client's engineer to come up with a solution. We have been involved in the development of a wide variety of products such as AV equipment, smart devices, office automation equipment, and automobiles, and in addition to software development. We are also heavily involved in functional safety and security projects. Shares this experience and are tremendous in the field skills accumulated through hard work with clients. To be more than just providing theoretical consultation, but to provide effective SEMBSE implementation at clients on site. Our second strength is that we offer a one-stop service that includes consulting up to engineering services. Our job doesn't end with the presentation of consulting solutions. In fact, we help with development and implementation as well. In addition, in cases where clients have difficulty visualizing their current situation and thus are unable to focus on the correct problems, we can begin by making that situation clear. Furthermore, after building an MBSE solution, we can provide expert support for the following design to verification and validation stages. Our experience across a wide variety of development sites is one of our greatest strengths. The third strength is our ability to actualize based on rich MBSE practical application experience. We have been providing MBSE services since 2013. First, we introduced MBSE in-house, and built our know-how, by repeatedly making mistakes and learning from them. Since we started providing this service, we have received suggestions and ideas from clients of every position and stripe, and have continued to make improvements one by one. This continued step-by-step development allowed us to come up with a proposal, made up of 3 frameworks: mindset, process, and modeling method. Within these 3 frameworks, it is possible to respond to clients in a fashion specifically tailored to their individual needs. Now we'll be showing specific examples of services offered clients from the results of the 33 projects we've handled for 12 different companies. Here is the first example. In this example, the information related to high-level design isn't based on clear visualization of the situation by the client, and in which the information consists of only detailed design information and design notes. The client wanted the high-level design information to be adjusted accordingly before the next step, which is modeling. To accomplish this, we reverse engineered and transcribed the high-level design info based on the detailed schematics and discussions with the clients. Then, using modeling tools, we modeled the process for the client. Here is the second example, an application of the SEMBSE Practical Application Service. This is a design document based on the client's conventional development method, but the client wanted clarification of the system architecture, using SEMBSE with an eye towards improving future development efficiency. For this particular case, several workshops were held where clients were encouraged to put into practice the visualization of developmental systems. This is the third example. In the results of the second example, we supported implementing the system model by using MBSE tool. We provided a hands-on approach tailored to the client's MBSE tool environment. We have the necessary experience with using the 4 tools shown here, and thus are able to support their use, according to each client's environment. Here is the fourth example. This is a case where software and hardware development based on modeling and modeling database information was contracted. For some areas, it's true that we might not have experience in the client's particular domain, but as you can see in the second and third examples, through workshops and hands-on work with clients, we can gain the necessary knowledge needed for the client's particular domain. These lead to a smooth process for software and hardware design. Recently, the styles of engineering at development sites require a change to meet the needs resulting from COVID-19. This likely complicates requests and communication regarding spec adjustments between client and supplier. Our company supports future social innovation by implementing our SEMBSE Practical Application Service, which supports digital transformation of various engineering activities, such as meeting stakeholder needs, defining requests, and everything from architecture design to verification and validation.